All right, here we go.
Walk a mile in these Louboutins.
We are in Samuel P. Taylor, biking through the redwoods. We're in Fairfax getting ice cream again.
Wow, action shot.
I licked it right off the top.
Danielle, what are you doing?
20 miles to go. Apparently the Golden Gate Bridge closes at 8 p.m. for construction, so we gotta really hustle. Update, the Golden Gate Bridge does close at 8, confirmed. We're cutting it close. You're on candid camera right now, dude. We are in the city. We've passed their house because we are at 99 miles. Anyway, we're just killing time. Why? Why did you do that?